When responding to peer discussion posts, many of us face challenges in organizing our thoughts in a clear way. It can be difficult to present ideas in a logical flow while also staying focused on the main points of the peer's argument. Additionally, when expanding on a peer's ideas and connecting them to related academic concepts, we often struggle to find the right depth and relevance. This process requires not only understanding the original post but also critically analyzing it and linking it to course theories or real-world applications. When responding to peer posts, focus on the following key points. Highlight the strongest and most interesting ideas from the post. Reflect on what you learned and gained from the discussion. Validate and extend ideas by agreeing and adding your own experiences or supporting evidence. If you disagree, respond respectfully and support your view with reasoning or evidence, without making it personal. Ask thoughtful questions to encourage deeper reflection and further discussion. Connect the post to course concepts, real-world examples, or other peer contributions. Add new insights, research, or relevant examples to enrich the discussion. End your response with a question to keep the conversation going. Now I will give you a simple example that can help you easily write a prompt. First, use this prompt in ChatGPT, one complete paragraph. Response to this peer post, start like you shows, then add strong points, then add what I learned, agree with one specific point and extend thoughts by relating with one new concept, approach, research finding, or relevant example from one recent Google Scholar article after 2020 that the peer did not discuss. Add reflections, ask a thoughtful question at the end. After putting this prompt into ChatGPT, paste the discussion post. ChatGPT created a complete paragraph according to my instructions. You can see that first it summarizes the whole post in one complete sentence, like you shows a clear understanding of why clinicians face layered difficulties in dementia care, especially how symptom overlap with normal aging can delay diagnosis and complicate early identification. Then it adds the strong points of the post. Then, in one sentence, it adds what I learned from the post. Then it shows agreement, like I agree with your point about the importance of culturally responsive care. Then it extends the post by adding new research and concepts with citations. But we will not use these citations. I will explain later in the video how to correct this. At the end, it also adds a question, like how do you think healthcare systems can better integrate culturally adapted screening tools while still maintaining efficiency in already time-limited clinical settings? I know that this response paragraph is large, so you can adjust it, like using one strong point and making changes according to your preferences. I am using QuillBot here to paraphrase. I copied this response paragraph and pasted it into QuillBot. Because this sentence is large, I put a full stop and separate it. I also removed this citation. Then I copied the research finding standard screening tools may underperform in ethnically diverse groups. ChatGPT also related this research finding with broader concept of cultural humility. I pasted this into Google, and you can see several related Google Scholar articles. The first article is related to cultural humility, so I opened it. I copied the DOI, pasted it into Mybib, and created the reference. After that, I copied the citation and replaced the previous one with the one ChatGPT provided. Then I paraphrased it. Here, you can again change synonyms and make changes according to your preferences. At the end of the post, you need to include the reference by downloading the full reference. You can always adjust the response by adding your own thoughts. I think that this type of response from ChatGPT can help you get direction on how to make reflections and how to extend thoughts by relating them to new concepts or findings.